Alright, once again, I'm back featuring the series number 5 of MG BULACAN Game Farm. You know, if you have a game farm, you need a lot of capital. And in order for you to protect your capital and you will not lose anything at all, you need to get the best and you have to protect your farm. And that's very simple task. Get the Belgian Malinois. They're very good guard dogs. You need to guard your farm 24 hours a day. And don't get me wrong, I'm not kidding at all. They're really fast and they can climb the walls too. So that's the best guard dog that you can put it in your farm. What's this? They have this breeds of dogs that is not friendly to the people that would like to take advantage of other people's property. The name of the breed is Belgian Malinois. This type of dog, you think they are friendly? No. They're very loyal to the owner. Whatever it takes, they're gonna do it. And they run so fast and they can jump so high. With a game farm, you need a lot of capital, so you have to protect your investment too. You don't spend a little bit of money in the farm, but I'm sure you pour a lot of your capital on this farm, especially these types of chicken that you are taking care for breeding purposes in the farm. So you have to get the best one in the market and they will take care of the rest. If you are engaged in breeding of the imported chicken, your capital, oh, it should be unlimited. So you have to protect it also. It will cost you a lot of money, and also you have to consider their food, vitamins, and medicine, including your caretaker. So it's not really a small amount of money that you have to spend if you have a game farm. That requires a lot of money for you to run this kind of hobby you got. Look at these pullets. As the days goes by, they're gonna keep in eating and you have to feed it too. So feeds is one of the factors where you're gonna have at least extra capital too, in order for you to survive on the hobby that you want. based on my observation and based on my research and just looking with other people videos, and I found out they like this type of breed because they are good protector and loyal to the owner itself. Police like this to use for sniffing anything whatever they train for, and it's very effective and law enforcement. So my friends, this is all what I got for today. Thank you very much for watching, and this is our series number 5 of MG BULACAN Game Farm. Thank you very much everyone. See you next time and good luck.